Oh,
you
yeah.
have 1 million subs?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, what the fuck? I didn't even know that. Jake, say what's up.
What's up, vlog?
We got to the Red Man's house. We're taking the Mozzie all the way to Vegas. Stop it, guys. Straight up, we gotta drive 3 hours or 2.5 or something to the airport.
Like candy. My dog out laying them low and bring none laws out serving all the rock.
All right, guys, we made it. Let's get it. We're about to head into the airport. Chillax. I was working in the car, got some work done, and sent a quote of a $6,000 deal, $50,000 deal, yeah, $8,000 deal. So, you know, we're stacking, we're stacking. Hopping in the Uber, let's go. My boy Greg is letting us stay at his nice apartment. Could call it a penthouse. Again, this is the importance of having the right friends. He's not even in town yet. We're gonna be chilling with him, getting a table at Excess, one of the best nightclub in Vegas this weekend. And yeah, this is lit. Shout out Greg Mullen. Let's go, baby.
Yeah. Okay, the sun don't shine every day.
Need help?
Yeah. You need my key?
Yeah. Don't say you're a key, buddy. Trying to play me.
I don't believe in everything they say.
All right, guys, so we're gonna post up work here. Got the Lightworker journal. Let's go. Make sure to cop one in the description, guys. This journal will change your life. Again, I don't promote much, but when I do, it's really to help you. This is one of the most transformational, life impacting journals, workbooks that you can do. Custom made it. It's got the blueprint in there. It's only around $25, so well worth it. Yeah, but we're about to lock in. I'm working on a $2,500 deal that should be paid today. I already did the work, just need to pay. Working on a $50,000 deal, working on a $9,000 deal, working on another $3,000 deal, working on another $4,000. There's tons of deals in the pipeline, super stoked. Been a blessing, and now about to chill and live our life. It's the best. So yeah.
Can't do shit that ain't got motion in it. Stand on your 10, I'm promoting business. Why niggas got their emotions in it? Go put in some work, I'm coping.
Change your vibration and watch the abundance come. Literally, it's that simple.
Flow now, I'm scoring. Foreigns on foreigns. Boating for a long pond. Got some show for it, I'm showing.
All right, guys, we're about to go link up with Jake D. Michelle, who was the person that honestly, he changed my life in a lot of ways because he gave me the opportunity of a lifetime. When I was debating on dropping out of college, he showed me the way of entrepreneurship. He showed me that it was possible, and I was already making 10 and 20K a month at the time, but he let me stay with him. We're about to go see his jungle cats and what he's been up to. So we got a truck this time, and I see it. We're here. We have made it to Jake's crib, so now we're gonna infiltrate. Let's go. I thought this was like a body, bro. Yo, can I come in? Jake, say what's up.
What's up, vlog?
All the way back to the mansion. Yo, welcome to Vegas. First thoughts at our penthouse?
It looks good. I mean, we have a great view. Cosmopolitan's right there.
So now, guys, we're about to head over to the Aria, which is literally the tower across the street. Anthony has finally pulled up.
Chat, why is there hella people in the pool right now?
Because it's hot out, bro. Look, Chad, this is sick. So we got conjoining rooms. If you're traveling with your friends, this is what you gotta do. This is literally the best thing ever. Alright, guys. Time to hit the gym. We got Anthony up ahead. Kind of reminds me of like a lost penguin.
She don't listen to UK rap.
If it ain't Dave or Cinch, she a 6 but her friend is a 4. A freeway gonna make that 10. Are you sure you
Alright
wanna
guys,
make that
so
work?
we've run out of ideas on how to get girls. You know, they had a successful mission last night. I was the one that put them on. Okay, so this is a good note to show a girl. Why do you never respond to my DMs? That is definitely gonna get a girl.
That one is
catch a girl
good.
off guard. You hand her this.
Mine is, didn't I see you at FurryCon? Didn't I see you at FurryCon last year?
Here's another great one. I told my parents about us.
And then the other one I have is, I know you farted, but I'm not gonna say anything.
Another one. I love you, Pookie. Pretty straightforward. Well, guys, wish us luck. I gave out a lot of notes, as promised. This bill was $607. That was dinner. You know, I know I'm a nice guy and everything. That was that. And then I spent $2,500 at the XS at Las Vegas. Probably not a good decision.
Can't do shit that ain't got motion in it. Stand on your 10, I'm promoting business. Why niggas got their emotions in it? Go put in some work, I'm
Come on, dude. I'm taste testing right now.
That's my favorite.
It's good. I like it. These are absolutely amazing. Beef tartare? Huh? Sure.
You get one of yours.
Bro, it's also really good. You know, I'm usually not gambling this much when I come out to Vegas, but for some reason I've been. Look at this guy, Anthony, bro. They're all trying to find each other. So guys, we just played craps. I put Anthony on, he followed all my plays. We just came up with a little bit of bag. Doubled my money, so I put 200 in, got 400 out, and I'm satisfied. So everyone was like, no, put it on black, put it on black. Like, nah, bro, doesn't get much better than 2X. Guys, we just went on a house tour. We got Mole Cola. Cheers, let's go. Vegas has been crazy. I don't know why every time I travel, I can't stop spending money. It's just been so cool, like being able to fly out my students and like take care of them. We really want to figure out what it takes the least amount of time and makes the most amount of money, right? So who's your dream ICP? How can we find more of those and how can we do it at scale, basically? All right, guys, so we met a super high-level entrepreneur named Sid. We're super stoked to meet him. We just switched resorts and we went off-strip for some reason. I guess I was trying to save $1 and I come in here and it smells like effing mildew. And this was not an advertised result, like, at all. Like, if you saw the pictures online and everything, and the reality, this is like, it seems like some Motel 6. What's even funnier is that we're about to get picked up in a Rolls Royce. Alright guys, so we made it. Kind of a vibey place. I don't know if you can tell, like these cool little clouds, kind of like a date spot, to be honest.
Have you ever raised the value of everyone around you? Have you
Yes sir, we got watered up for the desert. And yeah, we're about to go on an adventure all the way to Summerlin, so it's like on the other side of town.
came with a medallion? Have you ever booked a club and came with a battalion? Have you been to Montana and seen the mountains? Have you ever looked around?
This is just our little chilling area. It's fucking, the house is just always a mess just
Oh,
because
I thought that was Dobby for a second.
Oh my god!
I was like, what the? Okay, noted. No TV in the
Chill
living room.
area.
Okay, so they're all locked in. They're reading the red light there.
Yeah, red light there, blue bed, and then this is Fraser's office, like his streaming room. He's a big streamer.
Oh, word.
So he's in here just streaming all the time. And this is Adrian, by the way. He's a videographer, editor.
What's up, bro? Definitely a content house, bro.
Yeah, I mean, bro, look at all
There's
the
hella boxes. Like, are you guys planning on like moving around? Or?
No, it's just packages just constantly coming
Oh, like
in.
brand
and
deals
out.
and
I'll
stuff?
show you my room, yeah.
Still cash.
Oh,
you
yeah.
have 1 million subs?
Yeah, bro.
Bro, what the fuck? I didn't even know that. Yo,
Yeah,
that's
this is
crazy.
my
This is
room.
like
Wow.
the dream.
Flat.
I heard they got smaller, right?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, I got to the party too late, bro. But, like, they used to be so sick. They used
Yeah.
to come in like a glass container and like
yeah.
all that shit. But yeah, we got the.
Bro, what the hell? You really
One
are
mil
massive.
Jesus Christ,
Yeah.
massive bed
Dude,
too.
what the? I gotta ask you. I see these. What the fuck are these?
There was just bare. It's like it's just like art. It's just
Oh,
like
word.
collectible and like
Word.
the cool thing
This
about
is like
them
a very
you
LA.
can-
This is LA shit. This is how you guys know
Yeah.
you came from LA.
Yeah.
Can you show us some visual?
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Oh my. Yeah. These,
Oh,
these
he-
guys are killer, bro.
He's ready for Miami, baby.
I'm ready, bro.
He's
I'm
ready.
ready.
He's too quick, too, guys.
I'm
You don't
ready,
understand.
bro. I'm ready. Yeah. Okay.
Out of curiosity, like, did you hit a certain level where it's like, yo, I can't use a dating app at this point, or?
Yeah, I mean, bro, I'm literally banned on Bumble, banned on Tinder, just because other people have used my like profile.
Really?
Yeah. So,
My
like,
bad.
But I mean, here we go into another segment, dating and shit. It's hard, bro, when you're an influencer or whatever it is. Like, it's hard because you never know who's really. Like, why are they there?
Yeah.
Bro, can I show you some game real quick?
Yeah. Let me think. I gotta take a seat for this, bro.
Hold on.
Ariana, that's like the cutest cat I've ever seen. I wanna come pat her. I wanna get bound.
Could you guys just imagine this girl just laying in bed, hitting play, and she's probably like, what the
Yo,
fuck
I'm
is
not
going
gonna
on?
lie.
But it works.
Bro, it works. Like, I always send the weird stuff, like, do me, Mr. Potter,
Yeah.
help me, come with me, this girl's hot
You
as
gotta
fuck.
be yourself, bro.
There's 3 crazy methods, chat. Putting you on a game right now. 1, I may have accidentally kissed your Hinge profile a few times. Another one, I want to have 8 babies with you. Another one is, I already planned on our honeymoon. We're gonna sail around the coast to Italy. Maybe that's where the baby making process starts.
Okay, here's a real question though.
Nikon, do you just use your height though? Like you
Dude,
have to just use your height.
Okay, I have to do personality. No, like I have no.
Yeah, I was about to say, I don't even like people, because I
Yo,
you
that's
gotta have it
crazy.
in the
He's
bio.
about to say.
Yeah,
I don't
facts.
know.
6'8".
You gotta have it in the bio, bro.
6'8".
Taller than your ex, #1 thing.
Oh my God, that's crazy.
You're just running a lot of guys behind this camera.
I would be sick. I'd be like,
And
yo.
bro, it's the best icebreaker, bro, because like they're like, oh, I don't believe you. Every guy lies about their height, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
And I'm like, all right, well then I guess we gotta hang out. Well, like we gotta hang out then.
My ex
and
said
see
I was
how
the
it is.
perfect size, so I don't know.
Oh, that would hurt.
Bro, wait, are you allowed to slide in girls' DMs? Like, do you do that as a method? Or are you
Yeah.
afraid someone's gonna like use you?
Nah, I don't
for
give a fuck. Use me for I don't give a fuck. What are you
Yeah,
bro? I'm a
yeah,
human.
yeah.
I'm a dude. I'm a human being. I'm going after females. Like that's
Yeah.
what I'm into. So
Oh God, bro, 48 laws of power.
yeah.
Dude, I forbid people from reading.
Yeah,
Hold on,
so
am I the method?
so
Chat, this is good. That's a red flag.
Yeah.
If you go over to someone's house and they have this book, to give you guys a quick little summary, the 48 Laws of Power is a giant manipulation book on human nature. Okay, so I read it, but the only reason I read it is to learn when people are using it against me, because again, it's very important.
Yeah.
That's hopefully why you read it.
no. So listen. So I didn't even finish it. I got like 2-3 chapters in and I was like, I don't know about this. And then I bought this, bro, and I'm like, all right, this is some like old school shit, the Book of 5 Rings. Have you heard of this?
No, I
It's
haven't.
just like strategy on just like everything. Like if you're a fighter, if you're trying to build a business or anything like that, it's just like your own mindset. It's not how to trick people. It's not how to fucking finesse and do all that. It's just your own personal mindset and like, and always just trust what you believe in and all that kind of stuff.
He's about to give us some sauce. I'm like, Master, I have not been able to figure this out. I just sent him a wire for 10 grand to consult me. Please fix our channel, bro.
Listen, bro, first, I want you guys to know, this dude right here, he's built a lot of shit for himself. How old are you?
25.
25. He's 25 years old. Everyone's like, oh, I'm going to do this when I'm 30, when I'm 35. No, you can do it when you're 19, 18. It does not matter. #1 thing for me, obviously, consistency is super key. And also, you guys need to just stop overthinking things. Like, overthinking is the #1 killer when it comes to content. Like, you see all these people posting stuff, you're like, oh, that's so good, or like, this is so good. It does not matter, bro, because there's people out there who are uploading videos that they're not editing it, they're not doing anything, they're not
Bro,
cutting
that's
it.
the worst when I'm like on YouTube, right? And the guy's just in his car and he's talking about something. It's like,
And then you see how many
600,000 views.
600,000 views. I know, bro, because times have changed. You have to have the intro, the first 30 seconds, you have to hook them. Cut out all the little small talk and instantly go to what you're trying to get to. If I'm watching you, and let's just say the first 20 seconds of your video, right, is just kind of like stale and just kind of boring, or maybe it's something I've already heard before, boom, I'm gonna just not, I don't even think about it. People don't think about it, they just slide up to the next. Or is it I'm getting straight to the point, and then boom, I'm listening right away, and then I'm like, oh shit, this guy kind of knows what he's talking about. Maybe I can, hit the follow button, or maybe I'll go watch another one of his videos. And then the algorithm picks it up, and then once you kind of get into that algo, then you can start building your brand. Then you'll start to realize yourself, bro. You'll see your numbers go up. That's just kind of what you have to do, bro.
Bro, I feel like with my vlogs, right? So like I started that series document from 0 to 1 million, right? But I feel like there'd be too many scenes where I'm just like yapping. Should I do more B-roll and storytelling on top of it? Like I'm trying to figure out.
Yeah, I think it depends on what you're doing that day. Let's just say you have some cool event coming up, or like you're doing or you're going out to Vegas and you have these like a couple days planned out.
Yeah.
You kind of in your head already know, I'm gonna be doing this, like it would be cool to record. But if you're just kind of just winging it, sometimes, bro, that is the best thing to do. Is you just wing it and you're like, all right, I'm gonna film everything in my day, and then I'm gonna cut it down to the best parts, and then that's it.
Do you think me not being my own editor hurts me? He's gonna see this shit and get mad at me.
Yeah, no, listen. By the way, yo, if you see this editor, listen, I would be absolutely nowhere without the guys who I used to work with, my editors. But I'm gonna be honest with you, if you really care about your videos and like you have a vision for them, I would learn how to edit. I always say, like, you have to learn how to connect people through your content. Like, doing the gaming stuff, it was popping back in the day, doing the gaming stuff, and like we were kind of the first of our kind to turn, you know, just sit there and like talk over our gameplay, and like kids will be sitting there eating food and they're like, yo, like I love gaming, and these guys are talking about what I love, and they're doing it very well, so I'm gonna subscribe. And then from there, they start to be like, oh shit, now I want to see who's behind that voice. So then they were like, can you guys start doing like real life vlogs and videos? And then we did that. You take the same thing that you did and you just move it on forward. So like now the kind of stuff I want to do is like the fitness stuff. So I lost over 150 pounds just around there.
Wow.
And like that's like, what are gamers known for? They're being lazy, being heavy, and like
not
doing
healthy.
nothing.
Yeah.
So I want to break that. And like I want to push people to understand that like you can still do that, but you have to also focus on your physical health. It's super important.
Yeah.
You can't get comfortable with where you're at because there is millions of other people trying to do this.
Guys, I'm not 5'5", by the way.
I know, you look so short in this, man.
I'm super tall, I'm 6'8", I'm super tall. Anytime I meet people for the first time, they're like, God damn, what the fuck? I was not expecting that.
He looks like a Dolby.
I am a Dolby. Nah, bro. But shout out, bro. Shout out
Yeah, bro.
Nikan,
Shout out
dog.
Trey,
He's the
bro.
man, dude. I really appreciate it. Mad humble for real as well.
Facts,
bro.
a lot of
I'm
wisdom.
gonna get a bigger
Lots of
mansion
wisdom.
than him just to piss these guys off, but I'm gonna get the neighbor's house.
Check it out. 1, 2, hit 'em one time, yo. I barely know you, but the way you front make me wanna blow you. You rapping but you local, my shit is going slow. Niggas ain't ready, nah, fuck niggas and petty. I want
We're going to this fancy like nightclub restaurant. We're gonna go to the bar and see if they got what we want.
The question is, what a chicken knows and what a chicken doesn't do.
Now we're on the search for the Uber once again. This has happened too many times where we've sent him in the complete opposite direction where we are. Making my way downtown to Las Vegas. I cannot see in front of me. Blah, 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 blah.